Hello everyone, I am your host Haroon Zuberi, and in this video I am going to tell you about the fix of this problem that the WordPress keep asking for the FTP credentials. So guys, let's get started. If you see, I have installed the WordPress on my local machine and try to hit install now on any plugin or any theme, it keep asking me the same issue. If you go to your project directory, you will need to find out the WP config. Just open it up. Here it is. You just need to put this thing over here. Define fs_method direct. This basically allow WordPress to download the files from external sources. Now let me just refresh the page and try to install the plugin, and you can see the install is started and hopefully it will successfully be done. Oh yes, it's successfully done, and now activate the plugin. So guys, here's the solution that I just discussed. So that's all for this video. In the next video I will be teaching you about some other fixes related to WordPress. So guys, that's all for the video. See you next time.